but you become the puzzle when they have this kind of like material like rock. You hit again the rock and became in a glass like this. Exactly. This is for the top. Yes, it's just of the head. Yeah. This is very more lighter. Yeah, it's soft for carving. So we start from here. Yeah. In a run of the trail, we will say statues in process of transportation abandoned. Yeah. In the process of carving the back. The workshops indeed. One of the biggest statues of the whole island. The only statue with legs and kneeling. Legs. Yeah. And then we will finish our run of this area. Is this a statue? Yeah, you can see it is an example of 8 meters tall. Yeah, and look the base. The most of the statues in process of transportation, they have this fork in the base, kind of like an adit. Yeah, and it's kind of like 30 degrees to the front. Yeah. So they move the islands, and there are people move the statue, but with a walking process like this.